I'm Jules. You may not have been here before, so welcome to my channel. I've been an illustrator for 25 years and to date in 2019 I have 10 children's books published and 2 in the pipeline that I'm currently working on. On Fridays every fortnight I post tutorials on how to draw, hand letter and journal for either pleasure or for publishing. If you want, you can have a look at the books that I've already published. I'll post a link in the description box below this video. And if you want to see the book that I'm currently working on, hop over to Instagram, but not before you've liked the video and subscribed. That way you won't miss out on anything I post on YouTube, especially if you ding that bell notification button down in the bottom corner there. One last thing, so as I know you're there, say hi to me in the comments below, and if you've got any requests for subjects that you'd like me to cover, comment that as well. But that's it for now. Nanu nanu.